Have you ever considered how quickly the legal profession is evolving? The truth is, the legal landscape is changing faster than you might think. If you're a law student, a new associate, or mid-career, adapting is essential. To future-proof your career, embrace lifelong learning. Don't stop learning after law school or passing the bar. Stay curious and keep up with new laws, technologies, and client expectations. Tools like AI are transforming how we work, and staying informed is crucial. Next, build skills that AI can't replicate. Emotional intelligence, leadership, storytelling, and creative problem-solving are invaluable. Focus on enhancing your communication skills. Practice listening and understanding team dynamics. These abilities set you apart in a competitive industry. Thinking like a business person can greatly enhance your value. Understand your client's business goals and ask better questions. This mindset allows you to offer meaningful insight beyond just legal advice. It's also important to make peace with uncertainty. The legal field can be daunting, but embracing risk often leads to growth. Get to know your strengths and invest in building your network. The lawyers who adapt will thrive. Lastly, stay human. Clients desire partners who show empathy and integrity. Your career is about evolving and adding value to others. Future-proofing your career means being willing to change and helping those around you do the same. Now, take these insights and start your journey towards a successful, adaptable, and meaningful legal career.